Hello, and welcome to another episode of our Affordable Meal Series. Today we're going to be doing a Cubano sandwich. This is one of my kiddos' favorites. It's so easy to make, it's so filling, it's delicious, and it's great for a weeknight meal. You can get these done in like 15 minutes or less. So let's get started. So we're gonna do a breakdown of these ingredients. I know you just saw the screen before, but I'm gonna let you see it in person as well. So first we've got our Smithfield ham steaks. These are phenomenal. They're nice and thick there, so a great serving. For this sandwich, this steak here will serve 2 people. So you're gonna slice it in half, one half for one sandwich and one half for the other. So 2 of those makes 4 good servings. And on those, we've got a protein of a 3-ounce serving would be 15 grams of protein. And there are 2.5 servings per package. So if you cut that in half, it's gonna be a little over 15 grams of protein per serving. So that'll be a phenomenal start to that. Then we've got our Swiss cheese here from our Clover Farms as well. And so the Swiss cheese is, I don't know if you know this, but if you are using a low sodium diet, Swiss cheese is a really good option for you. Sodium here is only 45 milligrams or 2% of your daily value. So if you're looking for a low sodium option on your cheeses, these Swiss and mozzarella are really good for that. Now on that note, the ham's not gonna be nearly as much. It's gonna be 850 milligrams, so 35% of your daily intake. But in the grand scheme of things, depending upon what your limit is, that still might be reasonable within your limits. I'd add only 35%. And then we're gonna add in our delicious pickles. We got the sandwich slices there, so they'll be easy to put into the sandwich. We've got some just regular yellow hot dog mustard, and then our wonderful whole wheat bread. So this is also really good. 1 slice, 60 calories, 4 grams of protein per slice. So also a really good wholesome way to get your whole grains, get your fiber, low calorie, and so protein packed as well. All right, and then last but not least, we've got our olive oil here, so we'll be using that to kind of just lubricate the pan for the ham, and then you can either use it to toast your bread, or you can also use butter as well, up to your preference. And let's get started. All right, so these just came out of the skillet. I've already sliced one up for you. And you can just look and see the beautiful cheese and pickles. Looks so good. You guys enjoy. So another tip I wanted to tell you is if you have leftovers or if you want to make extra, you can always send these to school with your kids for lunch if you cook their lunch. Just wrap them up in aluminum foil and they can just eat them like they are. The cheese is already melted, so it may be a little more room temperature, but they'll still have a really good full-size lunch with a packed in protein, whole grains, and some fiber.